Hey everybody, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. Also at the Osage Beach MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks location as well. The boat here I'm showing you today is a 2025 SLX 260 from Sea Ray. Walking along, you do see it has the extendable sunshade coming off the bimini. The tower will electronically fold down. The buttons are right inside here. Walking on, you have a beautiful sun layout here. You do have the fold down swim step. There is a ladder underneath as well. Walking on the boat, plenty of space for all your friends and family to have a great day on the water. Doing a circle here so you can see back out. There's a step out of the boat there as well. There's your tower control. Coming to the driver's helm here, you have the dual Simrad screens. Phone charger down for the driver. Coming across for the passenger's helm is right in front of the head. Cup holders. Head. Massive bow with a place to slide in a table. You do have your windlass up front. Retractable armrests. Another table spot back here in the transom. My name is Lucas. Give me a call here today at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks or Osage Beach, and come see the 260 SLX from Sea Ray.